How to fix TikTok not uploading videos. So if you have any problem with the upload of videos on TikTok, I am sure 100% that this video is gonna help you a lot. So all what you have to do to fix this problem is just go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps, go to the apps again, and here you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Just click here on TikTok and here click on force stop, and then go to the permissions and make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back, click on data usage, and make sure also to enable all the network access options from especially the mobile data and Wi-Fi. Go back and now click here on open by default. Make sure that this option here it's on always allow, and then go down, click on app details. It will open directly the play Google Play right here. Now all what you have to do here is make sure that you have the new update. As you can see, just click on update. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next video.